This national award-winning 1957 210 features plenty of modern must-haves, like cool air conditioning, designer upholstery, and polished Budnik wheels. But items like a full Art Morrison chassis, a buff RamJet 502, and a fun Tremec 5-speed certainly underscore the fact that this car marches to its own beat. The Chevy's nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, meticulously maintained since its completion in late 2011, is so detailed that even its original quarter panels were removed, massaged, and painted inside and out. Speaking of paint, that vivid two-stage is DuPont Hot Hues Dragonfire Red, which is decked in glorious chrome that was fully replated. And excellent fit and finish is a nice complement to professionally filled seams. Open this hardtop's doors and you'll find a custom cockpit installed by Paul Atkins. A stylish dash hangs modern push-button ignition beneath classic instruments gauges. A custom console centers an angled TKO shifter and vintage air climate control. The passengers perch on short bucket seats, and the driver spins a polished and half-wrapped steering wheel on a tilting column. Lift this Chevy's hood and you'll find 502 cubic inches of RamJet Big Block. That brute motor is managed by a Tremec 5-speed that spins a Ford 9-inch with posi-traction and 370 gears. Owning a lights-out classic is cool. Owning a lights-out classic that's been professionally customized is something few are lucky enough to experience. Don't miss your chance to experience this incredible Chevy sedan. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.